Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome to this video. So as Valentine's Day week is here, so today I'm going to create few DIY Valentine's Day card. So we need some pattern like this. So I have created these two patterns. You can create any pattern whatever you like to create, and I'm using size 12, size 5 and size 1 round brush for smaller element and for bigger element, and I'm using 300 GSM watercolor sheet. I'm also going to use metallic color, but this is absolutely optional. If you don't have a metallic color, so don't worry about it. And so let's start with the first one. So for the first one, I'm going to create few loose flowers. So you can decide where you want all those flowers. So you can mark those areas like this, like what I'm doing here. And then with the help of red color, so my first flower would be with red color. I'm creating some loose flower here, so I'm not thinking too much about petal shape and size. I'm just creating few petals with different shape and sizes. So keep it on different shades as well, like you can keep lighter shade or darker shade, something like this, and then you can create a simple flower like this. This is absolutely beginner friendly watercolor DIY greeting card. So you can, if even if you are a beginner, you can paint these greeting card easily. Now let's paint few more flowers with the help of pink color. So I have mixed red color and white color together to get something like this. Create one more with the same technique. You can highlight few petals with the darker shade as well. So I'm using red color to highlight few petals on the pink flower, and I also need a little bit dark shade in the red flower as well. So I'm going to highlight red flower with the red shade. You can choose any flower whatever you like to paint. So these are our main flower. Now we can create some other smaller flower as well. So I'm going to create a bunch of yellow flower towards left side and few flowers towards right side as well, so that you can do. And I'm keeping the flower shape very basic, but you can do whatever you like to do. It's totally up to you and it's your choice. So let's create few flowers. So I'm applying little pressure into my brush to create few petals like this. I'm keeping one negative space at the center to create the ovary of the flower. You can reverse the process. You can create first ovary and then create the petals. That is also you can do, but I'm creating first petals and then I'm going to create the ovaries of the flower, the center part of the flowers. So likewise you can create bunch of yellow flowers towards left and towards right side. With the help of purple color, I'm adding small dots around the flower to create the ovary, keeping negative space in between. And I'm repeating this for all the three flowers. I'm using green color for yellow flowers to create the center part of the flower. And then with the help of black color, you can add the ovary of the flower. now we have to combine all these flowers together with the help of fine stems. So you can add smaller leaves and stems to attach all these flowers together. So I'm using sap green color first to create smaller leaves and stems. Just combine all the flowers together and create few basic leaves. The composition of flowers and leaves are totally up to you. You can keep these structure inside the triangle, or you can draw something like this one, like going outside as well. I'm also creating few leaves with the help of a sky blue color. Very basic structure of leaves. And then with the help of metallic color, so I'm using this golden metallic color, I'm going to fill the inner structure. So if you don't have a metallic color, you can use normal watercolor as well, or do not fill it, that is also fine. But I'm filling this with the help of metallic color. It gives you very shimmery effect in a particular angle, but you cannot see that because my angle is a bit different. Keep the edges little dark as compared to the center part. And then you can write any message, whatever you like. I'm writing simple Valentine's Day. My handwriting is not that good, so I'm writing it with the help of pencil first, and then I'll trace this with the help of marker or calligraphy pen. And we are done with the first one. Now let's start with the second one. So for the second one, I have used this round circle or round pattern, and I'm going to create few rose flower on the loose side, and I'm going to create this with very simple technique. So create few pattern like this with the help of concentrated color. So I'm using a sky blue color first, and then with the help of clean water, I do not have picked any color into my brush. With the help of clean water, I'm just spreading my color a little bit and giving it a shape of a loose rose flower. You can highlight few petals a little bit with the same color, or you can use different color as well. I'm using cobalt blue color to highlight few of the petals in between. And let's create one more flower with the help of purple color. So let me explain you again. You need to create pattern like this with the help of concentrated color, then wash your brush, and then with the help of clean water, just try to bleed the color and get a rose shape. and then you can highlight few petals with the help of different colors. So I'm using pink color this time to highlight few of the petals. I think this is the simplest way to paint a rose flower. Let's create two more flowers with the help of yellow and orange color. With a little bit of different perspective. This is the front perspective of flower, and I'm also keeping it smaller. Okay, so we are done with our flower. Now we can add leaves. So for the leaves I'm using blue shade. So I have mixed blue and green together, but more blue and less green. So I'm getting something like this, and I'm adding 2 strokes leaves, keeping a negative space in between. What we did in the first one, we can repeat the same thing for the second version as well. So I'm again using the metallic color. This time I'm using purple color to fill the inner area. But if you don't have metallic color, you can skip this part, or you can use normal watercolor as well to fill the area. Now let's create few more leaves. You can add more leaves inside the circle as well if you want to. I'm keeping things outside the circle only. I'm also adding few leaves with the help of green color. This is sap green color. You can add more elements into it if you want to. For now I'm keeping it this much only for this particular painting, and then you can write anything, whatever you like. And we are done with both the paintings. So I'm hoping this video is helpful for you guys, and please do let me know if you guys have any feedback for me. And thank you so much for all your love and support, and thank you so much for watching my videos. See you guys in the next video.